Most people walk around every day with silent nutritional deficiencies, and they don't even know it. Today, I'll share 23 signs your body is begging for more nutrients, and what you can do starting today to fix them naturally. If you feel tired, stressed, craving weird foods, or dealing with skin, hair, or mood problems, this video will change your life. And stay until the end where I'll show you the best supplements proven to fill these gaps quickly and safely. 1. Constant fatigue. Iron, B12, magnesium deficiency. 2. Muscle cramps. Low magnesium or potassium. 3. Weak immunity. Vitamin C, D3, zinc deficiency. 4. Hair loss. Iron, biotin, omega-3. 5. Dry skin. Vitamin E, healthy fats. Collagen. 6. Cracked lips. B vitamins. 7. Brittle nails. Iron, calcium, silica. 8. Brain fog. Omega-3, B12, magnesium. 9. Sugar cravings. Chromium, magnesium, protein deficiency. 10. Poor sleep. Magnesium plus vitamin D3. 11. Mood swings. Omega-3, B vitamins. 12. Frequent headaches. Magnesium, water plus electrolytes. 13. Slow wound healing. Vitamin C plus zinc. 14. Skin rashes. Vitamin A, zinc. 15. Numbness/tingling. B12 deficiency. 16. Bone pain. Calcium plus D3. 17. Irregular heartbeat. Magnesium plus potassium. 18. Low libido. Zinc plus vitamin D. 19. Constipation. Magnesium, fiber, probiotics. 20. Bloating/gas, poor gut bacteria balance. 21. Muscle weakness. Protein plus magnesium. 22. Anxiety. Magnesium, omega-3, B vitamins. 23. Poor appetite. Zinc deficiency. Now that you know the signs, here's how to correct them effectively. 1. Improve absorption. Your body cannot absorb nutrients if your gut microbiome is damaged. Suggest Sino Gut, high-quality probiotic. 2. Use high-quality multivitamins. Food alone may not fill all gaps, especially for busy people. Recommend whole food multivitamin, Java Burn, metabolism plus nutrient use. 3. Boost magnesium levels. 80% of people are deficient. Recommend Magnesium Breakthrough. 4. Increase vitamin D3 and K2, essential for bone health, mood, immunity. Recommend D3 plus K2 drops. 5. Support the liver. The liver controls nutrient storage plus absorption. Recommend livpure. 6. Oxygen and AMP. Lung health. Low oxygen equals low nutrient absorption. Recommend breather lung support. 7. Add omega-3 fatty acids, brain, joints, hormones, heart. Recommend omega-3 fish oil. 8. Add whole foods rich in nutrients, dark leafy greens, fruit, seeds and nuts, beans, lean proteins, fermented foods. Your body speaks, and deficiencies are one of its loudest cries for help. Start slow, choose 1 to 2 supplements, and focus on eating real foods. Remember, healthy cells equals healthy body. Healthy body equals strong mind. Strong mind equals powerful life. Check my recommended supplements below for reliable proven support. To boost your results naturally, here are my top 3 recommendations, all backed by real reviews and available through my affiliate links below. 1. Ecorea Lean Belly Juice. Get it below. Targets fat oxidation and reduces cravings. Works synergistically with ACV for faster results. Affiliate link below. 2. Java Burn. Coffee-based metabolism booster. Enhances energy and supports fat burning all day. Affiliate link below. 3. Keto ACV Gummies. Perfect for people who dislike the vinegar taste. Combines ACV and BHB ketones for fat burning support. Amazon affiliate link below. Add whole foods rich in nutrients, dark leafy greens, fruit seeds and nuts, beans, lean proteins, fermented foods. Your body speaks, and deficiencies are one of its loudest cries for help. Start slow, choose 1 to 2 supplements, and focus on eating real foods. Remember, healthy cells equals healthy body. Healthy body equals strong mind. Strong mind equals powerful life. Check my recommended supplements below for reliable proven support.